Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Splitwise payment not showing up in Venmo. So first of all, you need to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. Open up App Store on your device, and then tap on this search icon in the bottom right corner. Then search for the Venmo app, and if you see this update button right next to the app name, simply tap on it to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. This should fix Splitwise payment not showing up in Venmo, but if it doesn't, then you need to clear App Cache. Go to your device settings and then scroll all the way down to General and tap on it. Then tap on iPhone Storage. From here, search for the Venmo app and then tap on it. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on Offload App. Tap again to confirm. It'll take a bit for processing, and then a reinstall button will show up. Simply tap on it to reinstall the app. This should fix Splitwise payment not showing up in Venmo, but if it doesn't, then open up the Venmo app on your device and then tap on this profile icon in the bottom right corner. From here, you need to tap on this gear icon in the top right corner. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down and tap on the Get Help option. It'll take you to this screen. Over here, you need to tap on the Contact Us option to contact customer support officials. Once connected, briefly explain the issue to the Venmo app representative. You can type something along the lines of, "Hello team, I recently settled a group expense on Splitwise and chose Venmo as my payment method. The transaction seemed to go through on Splitwise's end, and I was notified that the payment was sent to my Venmo account. However, when I check my Venmo app, there's no record of the payment in my transaction history or my balance. I'm not sure if there's something I need to do to refresh my account or if there might be an issue with the integration between Splitwise and Venmo. Could you please help me figure out why the payment isn't appearing and what steps I should take to resolve this?" Hopefully, the Venmo app customer representative will help you fix Splitwise payment not showing up in Venmo. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.